For this question, we use formula min and select the data of each and enter. For next question, we use formula sum and select the saving account data and enter. For third question, we use count formula and select the data of ID customer and enter. For fourth question, we use count in formula and select all the data of loan purpose, comma, select education and enter. For this question, we also use count in formula and select all the data of month employed, comma, first of fee, less than 10, first of fee and enter. For sixth question, we use count if formula and select all the data of loan purpose, comma, select education, comma, select all the data of each, comma, first of fee, more than 30, first of fee and enter. For last question, we use formula sum if and select all the data of loan purpose, comma, and select furniture, comma, and select all the data of saving account and enter. For 2B question, we use if formula and select the data of saving account and less than equal to 150, comma, type low, comma, and dash, and enter, and put the cursor to copy the formula. Same goes for this question, just change more than equal to 150, comma, and type height, comma, and dash, and enter. And put the cursor to copy the formula.
So for type of raise height list if low, we are using formula equal if bracket and click this one equal to low, comma, and click month employed is less than 24 months, close the bracket, comma, height raise, comma, and dash. Close the bracket and enter. And at the cursor, double click on it. Equal if bracket and click here equal to height, comma, and also click month employed. Click more than 60. Close the bracket, comma, low raise, comma, and dash, and close the and enter. And double click at the cursor. And we are done. So for VLOOKUP, we are using the formula equal to VLOOKUP, bracket, choose customer ID, F4, comma, and at the table, choose IT, loan purpose at the column index number 2, checking account at column number 3, and saving account at column number 4. Control Shift page down, and then comma, and column index number 2 for loan provided, close bracket, and enter. And then double click at the cursor and change column index number only. For checking account, it's number 3, and for the saving account, it's number 4. So we are done, and try to put the customer ID, for example, 2323, and enter. And here all the information. Chapter 3, pivot table, how to make pivot table. Yes, put your cursor at any cell, and insert, put pivot table, and click existing worksheet, and I put it here, and OK. So drag the information here based on the question. And at the column, I will put gender, drag it here. And at the rows, I will put loan purpose, value, saving. For filter, month customer, and also ID. And for values, I want to make it count of saving. Count, okay, okay. How to make pivot chart? Click insert, click pivot chart, and click OK. So this is your pivot chart. So how to make the slicer? Go to insert and click slicer and choose what you want to slice. Information such as marital status and also housing based on the question, and click OK. So this is your slicer. For min equal to average, bracket, saving, control shift page down, press the bracket and enter. So for variance equal to var.s, bracket, saving, control shift page down, press the bracket and enter. So for standard deviation equal to stdef.s, bracket, saving, control shift page down, press the bracket and enter. So for coefficient variation equal to standard deviation divide with mean and enter. So for coefficient skewness equal to skew, bracket, control, shift page down, close the bracket and enter. So the last one is kurtosis equal to curd, bracket, saving, control shift page down, and close the bracket and enter. And here at the side is the comment.
To complete this score, we use standardized formula and click saving and mean, put $sign, standard deviation, put $sign, and close the bracket and enter, and copy the formula. For outlier, we use if formula, click z-score, more than 3, type yes, type no, and closing the bracket, and enter, copy the formula. For this question, same like previous one, just change less than -3 and copy the formula. For chart, select all z-score data, insert tab, choose scatter graph. This is the final result. Click data, choose data analysis, and click discrete statistic and click OK. Choose saving column, tick label, and tick for item available and click OK. This is the outcome.